This car cleaning kit was actually a birthday gift, and I'm really glad I got it. I've been using it to clean the inside of my car, and it has made cleaning it a lot easier. I like that it comes with a handheld vacuum, detailed brushes, and cleaning gel to help get into those hard to reach areas. One of my favorite features is the storage bag because I can keep everything together and just leave it in my trunk. And the vacuum plugs right into my outlet in my car. So whenever I need it, everything is already there. If you like keeping your car clean or you're looking for a practical gift, I definitely recommend checking it out. I will put the link in the comments if you want to learn more.